let us perform Azodye test to distinguish between phenol and aniline. First of all, I am adding few drops of phenol in the first test tube, and then I am adding few drops of aniline into the second test tube. Now then I am adding distilled water to prepare an aqueous solution of phenol and aniline. You can see that phenol is more soluble, or it is moderately soluble in water, whereas aniline forms emulsion and it is very slightly soluble in water. Now let us perform a litmus paper test. Here is a blue litmus paper. When it is dipped in the aqueous solution containing phenol, the color of the litmus paper turns red. That indicates that phenol is acidic in nature. Now let us perform the blue litmus paper test for aniline. When this blue litmus paper is dipped into the mixture containing aniline and water, the color of the blue litmus paper does not change at all, and this indicates that aniline is not acidic in nature. Here are the two strips. Now let us perform the red litmus paper test to check the basic nature of aniline. Here is a red litmus paper. When it is dipped in the mixture containing water and aniline, the color of the red litmus paper turns blue. This indicates that aniline is basic in nature. Here you can see that the color of red litmus paper turns blue, and this indicates the basic nature of aniline. Let us perform the Azodye test. Here I have taken a pinch of sodium nitrite salt in a test tube, and then I am going to prepare aqueous solution of sodium nitrite with the help of ice cold water. Here I am adding ice cold water to prepare a dilute aqueous solution of sodium nitrite. Then you have to take few drops of aniline into the another test tube. Here the test tube contains aniline, and I am going to add dilute HCl solution to prepare a solution of aniline in HCl. And add dilute HCl solution, and this aniline, since it is basic in nature, it is soluble in HCl. You can see that aniline is soluble in dilute HCl. Now then you have to add this cold aqueous solution of sodium nitrite into aniline, and you have to maintain the temperature between 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. Place this test tube in ice cold water, and this reaction is known as diazotization reaction, and this test tube contains diazonium salt, aqueous solution of diazonium salt. Now then you have to take alkaline beta naphthol into another test tube and add this diazonium salt solution into it. After adding this diazonium salt solution, the color of the alkaline beta naphthol turns orange red. Orange red precipitate of Azodye will be formed, and that will confirm the presence of aniline in the given test tube. Now next, let us perform the Azodye test, that is a coupling reaction with the help of phenol. I have taken few drops of phenol in another test tube, and then I am going to add sodium hydroxide solution into it to make it alkaline. This is alkaline solution, and this phenol is soluble in sodium hydroxide because it is acidic in nature. Now let us add diazonium salt solution into it. After adding this diazonium salt solution, a coupling reaction takes place, and it will lead to the formation of orange colored dye again. And this test will help us to distinguish between phenol and aniline. In this way, we can distinguish between phenol and aniline with the help of coupling reaction, that is known as Azodye test. Thank you.